So what kind of person are you generally in a relationship?
We eat ribs and whatnot and listen to salsa music.
One
You
person
like
who's
Ribs and whatnot.
Don't save her, she don't wanna be saved. 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 Don't save her.
set the rules or free flowing or standard nini?
Look, what do you want me to say?
Let's make things work.
I don't normally set rules,
See, now that's some bullshit.
but then siyathandana, and then if there's something engayithandi, I'll raise it up, and then we'll take it from there.
Take it! It's yours!
Because I tend to be very nonchalant, like I can be very
Shut the fuck up.
don't care in a relationship. Like if you shout at me
Say something stupid.
about something and I don't like it,
Stupid.
or whether I like it or not, but if you shout at me about something,
Shut the hell up! Damn!
okay, let's move on.
If you shut me down and then ungakhulumi ngayo, we keep quiet, I do it the next week again.
Now I do what I want.
You say you're doing it again. I don't know what I did wrong.
Oh, I can tell you. But then I'd have to kill you.
Did you put chili sauce? You said you eat chili.
No.
I'm okay with chili sauce for now.
No,
If I speak, I am in big trouble. In big trouble.
no.
Is anywhere where his name is written on this picture?
No,
Turn it yourself. Is anywhere where his name is written?
no, there's no name here.
Now, let me tell you.
Okay.
Do you know Morris?
Yes, this is Morris.
His name is Morris.
Yeah.
No, it's fire.
Nasty.
I do. Oh, food is bae.
Nasty.
It's really delicious.
You want that piece?
Your friends asked if you were to go on my DMs, what should you find? I'm the kind of person who takes someone's phone just to check on what's happening.
It's like if your phone is there and go through it. Yeah. No.
Nah, I don't wanna hear it.
No.
You lied to me.
I used to.
And why was it?
I tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
Because I didn't trust what he was saying to me.
Kill him.
Can I have a doggy bag, please?
A doggy bag is $90.
Did you enjoy your steak?
I did enjoy my steak. Will you be my girlfriend?
And I'll see you on our second date. So I'm saying there is going to be a second date.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Yes.
No, that's fine. Okay.
Okay.
So you coming to Alex?
Who said our second date needs to be kokomar?
There's a more Coco.
What kind of shit is that?
Okay, let's do it somewhere else. Okay?
There's a meeting in my bed.
Away from each other's place.
To a second date.
Kiss Nyana.
There's a meeting in my bed.
Now you're pushing it.
No, ngiyadlala. Come on, really?
Man, your ass don't get no motherfucking pussy, man. What the fuck wrong with you, man?
You gonna cry in the car.
So you can say what you wanna. There'll be no other. Put it on my mama. Facts to 100. Big back chillin'.